In this unit, quality assurance and quality control, we will see an introduction to the concept of quality assurance, QA, and quality control, QC, translation service quality assurance, and examples of assessment systems. ISO 9001 defines quality assurance as part of quality management focused on providing confidence that quality requirements will be fulfilled. Quality assurance comprises administrative and procedural activities implemented in a quality system so that requirements and goals for a product, service, or activity will be fulfilled. On the other side, ISO 9001 defines quality control as part of quality management focused on fulfilling quality requirements, in which we can think of three principles. Elements such as controls, job management, defined and well-managed processes, performance and integrity criteria, and identification of records. Competence such as knowledge, skills, experience, and qualifications. And soft elements such as personnel, integrity, confidence, organizational culture, motivation, team spirit, and quality relationships. There could be some confusion between QA and QC. But while quality assurance relates to how a process is performed or how a product is made, quality control is more the inspection aspect of quality management. To sum it up, we could relate quality assurance with process and product, whereas quality control is related to inspections or compliance. If we look at these concepts related to language industry, translation quality assurance is an assurance model approach to the translation process that ensures prevention of errors, reduces subjectivity, and helps achieve intended results. It leads to assessment, which is the process of making a judgment after considering the given object carefully. Translation assessment involves a system for quantitative and qualitatively measurement of errors and takes into consideration the source language content and the project specifications. In this sense, the assessment model describes the stages and people involved in the assessment system. Target language content assessment and performance evaluation are only functions of a translation quality assurance process adopted by a translation company for a specific customer or project. There are many different approaches to translation service quality assurance. As for the quality assurance system, the first step to develop a translation service quality assurance process is setting out what is and what is not acceptable. All contractual obligations must be met. This means that the strategy has to address the typical types of projects, the time required for managing these projects, the resources available for the company or translator, and the typical project constraints and risks that need to be managed. When referring to assessments and performance evaluations, there are two main types of approach in terms of assessment. A holistic approach, which involves a global score system, and an analytical approach with error categories. Then there are two forms of application, manual or automatic. The approaches usually depend on the purpose and function of the assessment. And throughout this assessment process, several professionals' profiles are involved, namely translation service quality manager, expert reviser or reviewer, project manager, production manager, assessor, translator, reviser, reviewer, customer. Machine translation is also under the umbrella of translation assessment, but with different connotations, although it actually takes part in the appropriate project management process. For this assessment, we can find two main possibilities, manual or automatic, which we will see in depth during the unit. There is great variability in the assessment systems for translation projects, although in most cases they tend to be variations on the same topic. In this section, we are going to look at the first two systems that appear in the professional industry as a result of the IT and automotive fields. Many organizations structure and customize their own system based on these ones. In addition, we will see one of the latest models used professionally in industry. LISA QA model was the first translation assessment system in language industry. It was originally created for localization industry by IT companies, and it aimed at standardizing the metrics of errors in user interfaces, online helps, and documentation for software products. This model is the foundation of most current assessment systems. Secondly, we will see SAE J2450, mainly used in automotive industry. It is a system created in 2001 that allows an assessor to record errors in a translation and compute a weighted numerical score that represents the quality of the translation. It was created by General Motors, Ford, and Chrysler, and it aims at assessing quality with the same methods as used in general automotive industry. It is based on a numeric score from 1 to 5 through error weighting. TaskUDF is an integrated and robust tool offering reporting on various levels, segment level, project level, or aggregated as benchmark and trends. With the advent of machine translation and post-editing, TAUS played a significant role in the creation of standards governing the measurement of post-editing and ended up designing its DQF model from 2012, which has plugins for the most important cut tools. It is originally a quality framework built around DQF-MQM error typology, which was upgraded to a translation performance analytics tool in 2015. I hope you enjoyed this unit. You can complete this introduction with the materials available in the platform. See you in the next video.